Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be working on this beautiful and easy pattern. This pattern will be great for a gents sweater. Also you can knit in a ladies sweater. This is the way it looks like. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you'll need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 15 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times 4 12 and 2 edge stitch, sorry, 1 extra stitch 13 and 2 edge stitch 15. So row 1 wrong side. This pattern starts from the wrong side. So row 1 wrong side, your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn in back, knit 1, purl 3. 1 2 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and purl 3. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 3. 1 2 and 3. One more repeat. We have one more repeat. Knit 1, purl 3. 1 2 and 3. We have done 3 repeats. 1 2 3, and your last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Knit 1 and yarn in front, your edge stitch, yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. Row 2 right side. Row 2 right side, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3. 1 2 3. That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 3. Again, purl 1, knit 3. 1 2 and 3. One more repeat. Purl 1, knit 3. 1 2 and 3. Your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side, knit is row 1, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side, and start the repeat. Knit 1, purl 3. 1 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and purl 3. Again, knit 1, purl 3. 1 2 3. Knit 1 and purl 3. 1 2 3. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. Row 4 right side. Row 4 right side, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3. 1 2 and 3. Knit 3, and then now we're going to pass this first stitch over this 2, like so. That's the repeat. Purl 1 and this 3 stitch. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 3. 1 2 3. Knit 3 and then pass over. Purl 1, knit 3. 1 2 3 and then pass over. And then last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 5 wrong side. For row 5 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip. Row 6 right side, edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 3. Again, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 7 wrong side. Row 7 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and purl 3. Again, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip. Row 8 last row. For row 8 last row, purl all stitches. Edge stitch, knit through the back loop and purl all stitches. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. This is 1 repeat. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.